Welcome to BookShark. With our curriculum, you can homeschool your children with ease and with joy. With each day, you pull out your instructor's guide and complete your assignments in whatever order you'd like. Reading aloud, activity sheets, science experiments, timeline and mapping work, copywork, and so on. Discussion questions and vocabulary are clearly outlined for you. You know exactly what to do, and your curriculum package includes everything you need. Our literature-based approach is gentle and engaging. Kids love BookShark books. Instead of plodding through dry textbooks, your children will devour real books that stimulate critical thinking, encourage creativity, and improve long-term retention. BookShark's flexible 4-day school week leaves your 5th day open for real-life learning of your choice. Field trips, co-op, hobbies, sports, or family travel. To get started, click on the orange Browse Products button at BookShark.com to find packages that fit your children's ages. If you need any help choosing curriculum, please use our support button also on BookShark.com. You've already been teaching your children since the day they were born. BookShark simply gives you the flexible structure you need to keep teaching them.